Our breakfast, let's shift focus to the earnings corner now. We had Coal India reporting numbers yesterday. Nigel tells us it's a terrible set of numbers. In fact, the profits have slumped 77%. Nigel's here with us. Nigel, take us through the details. Bad set, as you said.
Well, Mangalam, sometimes we look at the profitability and we'll say maybe there's some one-off, maybe there's some kind of a miss, but this is really a top-down miss. Absolutely horrid set of numbers coming in from Coal India. We're expecting more or less a weakish set, but the numbers look very weak. Just on the top line, there was a dip of around 8% approximately. We were factoring in maybe more or less a flattish number, or maybe a dip of only around 1%. So it's a good 1,000 crores miss on the top line itself. And in terms of sales volumes, we already had that. So the sales volumes were down by around 5%. But he thought maybe we'll get some relief coming in from the blended realizations. Unfortunately, that as well came in lower by close to around 3%. And let's take you through the two big segments. One is the e-auction. Over there, the volume spiked up. So we were working with a number of around 20 million tons. It came in at around 19-20 million tons. So no worries on that front. A big growth of around 30%. But what's the use? Just take a look at the realizations. The realizations have come down to around 1,350 rupees. That's down by close to around 25% on a year-on-year basis. From the time I've been tracking the company, Mangalam, I remember the realizations even at around 2,800 rupees per ton. It's come in even less than half of those highs that we saw just in the last couple of years. And the FSA volumes as well did come in lower by close to around 10%, coming at around 93 million tons. We were working with a number of around 95 to around 97 million tons. So that was a miss as well. And realizations, no relief for there as well. It's coming down close to around 2%. If you just take a look at the difference between the e-auction realizations as well as the FSA realizations, it's come down to only around 4%. There was a point of time when e-auction realizations used to give you a premium of around 50% in comparison to the FSA realizations. Operating profit dismal, down more than 90%, margins at a meager 1%. That's because employee costs spiked up, so no good news there. And profitability as well did come in at only around 600 crores. Everything went wrong operationally, and tax rate came in more than 50%. The stock's going to get a dropping in today's trading session. Back to you.